And about the precast stairs, I should say that we got the same properties. However, we got some specific items. Let me select the precasters, and then we're gonna talk about their specific properties that are only dedicated to the precast stairs. Here, let me check use stair calculator. Then I open the calculator. 173.9. Then I added 300s, 647.8. I make a copy out of this, and then I paste it here in the formula. OK, and apply. OK. After this, I want to start drawing. For instance, I model these number of risers and the rest of them at the other side. After doing this, we'll click on finish to save the changes. Then, in order to show you the stairs and also the properties, I open the section view. Then we flip the direction to show you a more complete section view out of the precast stair, like this way. Here, no, all of the sections are the same, but here we got a specific and special connection between the stairs. Let me measure the distance here. From this point, 100 millimeters. This is called notch extension. Watch this. Notch extension. Let me click on the dimension that I want to associate it to a parameter. Replace with text. Then I define notch extension. Watch this. To show you the related name. OK, notch extension 1 to 5. Then I add another dimension. This part is called notch thickness. Replace with text notch thickness by this way. And there is a gap here, as you can see. There's a gap between these two. I want to move the text, move it out like this way. Then this is called horizontal gap distance. Horizontal gap distance. OK. Watch this. And this part is called the, and also this part are called as the vertical gap distance. Since we got it vertically, I copied this name, but I replace vertical with horizontal. Vertical replace with text, vertical gap distance. Like this way. After doing this, and showing you the different sections, then we can select the stair, opening edit type, and then in end connection we got the options. And I don't duplicate it, since we got the same properties that we talked about, all of them. As you can see, we talked about support, the graphic, the landing, but the end connection is left. As you can see, if we set it to notch, we'll have it in a notch form, as you can see. But if we set it to straight cut, it means that it wants to delete the dimensions. So I don't delete them, since the text and the dimensions will be deleted. And for the notch extension is called this section, as I have pinpointed it. Watch this, we can control it, notch extension. The next one, notch thickness, which is this height. that we can control it as well, minimize or increase it. And horizontal gap distance, as I'm showing you, 20 for instance, and the vertical gap distance, 5 for instance. Check it out. However, here I have defined the wrong text, 10 and 10, 20. So here we can revise each of these parts. Actually, here we got the horizontal and the verticals, so it was okay. Anyway, we can control them, nothing else. And nothing special is left about the precast stairs, and this was all about the stairs of precast.